Hey friends, if you wish to know what the best browsers are for Windows these days, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. Now, I will not include Brave browser in it, although there is a lot of hype around it because it's a paid browser and we do not need it because we have a lot of free versions. Actually, I would say Opera is an excellent option if you want more than just a browser. Like you need a free VPN and you need a lot of app integrations and all. So Opera will be an excellent browser for that. Okay, you just have to click these three dots here and then you can go to settings and you will notice that it has AI services. You can add messengers to it. You can add special features like a crypto wallet to it. You can add speed dial to it. Okay. And then you can also access the VPN and all. So Opera has a lot of options. But here's what I suggest. Amongst the more common ones, I would put Firefox out of the equation. Earlier, it was considered an excellent browser due to the privacy it offered. If privacy is your thing, okay, yes, you can consider Firefox. But after recent updates, there have been a lot of glitches with Firefox and it has been tried with multiple computers. Now, coming to Chrome and Firefox, one thing with Chrome is that it has launched this new profile system which existed earlier but people didn't use it much. So now, whenever you try to log into Chrome, it will create a different profile here. Here's what I do. I just stay signed out of Chrome and then keep browsing with whatever I wanted to do. Okay. And this way it doesn't mess up much, but it is an excellent browser and its base, the Chromium base, is an excellent base. As for Microsoft Edge Chromium has the exact same base as Chrome. So people may not like Microsoft Edge because of its reputation and that of its predecessor, Internet Explorer. As we say, Chrome has become a brand, but there is no difference between Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome as such, except that Microsoft Edge does not create profiles. So, amongst free browsers, I would say that Edge will be ranked as 1, Chrome as 2, and then Firefox as 3. And as for Opera, if you want extra features, you can consider this one. But Chrome and Edge both are faster than this. And as for Firefox, it has changed a little, otherwise, it was really good earlier. Yes, if you want privacy in a free browser, then you can consider Firefox. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.